1, 2, 3. I love you.
You're so silly.
Okay, we have to go.
Okay.
Hi and good morning, guys. So it's been decades since I've been vlogging. A lot has been happening. I just woke up. I look crazy today. Yes, look how long my hair is, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go get a haircut later. I have a lot going on. I relocated to Northern California, even northern than what the Bay is, guys. But I just moved, you guys. It's been like almost a week and I'm still unpacking. Bed still on the ground, but it's been crazy. So unpacking, working, adjusting back into like trying to get a routine. And then you guys, I'm headed to Napa today. I'm meeting up with my cousins and my aunties. We're just doing a little weekend getaway, so that's what we're doing today, and that's why I'm like bringing out my camera, because I'm like, why not, right? Just kind of like slowing down on life and just kind of like, you know, trying to take in the moments because it's been so crazy and hectic, guys. So yeah, I'm in a new apartment, guys. I'm in downtown Sacramento, so I'm really excited to be here and just kind of like the vibe. It's really cool, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys Elle. She's getting so big. Let's see where she's at. Eleanor, where are you? Oh, there she is. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Say hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you look demonic for a little bit. Ouch, okay. Anyways, say hi, Eleanor. You're getting so big. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to get her spayed soon, so we're gonna be doing that. You're gonna go overnight boarding. You're gonna go meet so many puppies and so many doggies, yes? Okay, no biting, hey. And no licks. Okay, get down. So this is my apartment. I'll probably do like an apartment tour later on when my gather things together and put things together in the apartment, because it looks, it's kind of, there's things everywhere right now. So, here's my little office setup right now. I'm just using the dining room table. But yeah, I'll probably do like a little apartment tour later, but later as in like probably like a month from now. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys a little bit later. All right, guys, so we made it to Napa. We're here with Duda.
Hello.
Getting the drinks ready. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh my gosh.
Look at me. Look at what I made.
Oh my gosh, you just made that. What a wifey.
Yes, I came here early.
Yeah.
I woke up
but not yet a wifey. It got skipped.
What?
Right? Next year she's gonna become a wifey.
Oh.
Wifey to be.
Yes, wifey to be.
Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, Ming. Hi, Tracy. Hi. Okay, so we're all here. We got here like about 30 minutes ago, but our first cheers to our first one in Napa. Cheers, ladies. Drink up.
Cheers, guys.
We are headed to the pool. Headed to the pool. Oh my god, love your mask. Unicorn mask.
So unique.
Love.
Unicorn.
Oh my gosh. And why are you wearing a sweater when we're going to the pool? You're gonna take it all off, Girls Gone Wild? Sweater? At the pool? Sweater at the pool?
No, walking around.
Oh, walking around first. Okay, I guess I'm the only one that. So, we're headed to the pool eventually. It's been like, we're trying to go to the pool.
Tell
Tell them.
trying to go to the pool.
And then how many hours later? We didn't take too many photo shoots.
Yeah, like 3 hours later. 3 or 4 hours later.
Yeah. Anyways, we're headed down there, attempting.
Yes.
We're headed to the pool finally after 10 photo shoots later from Nai, our director. Yes. I thought I was the vlogger and the director, but ooh, it's getting cold.
Recording already?
Yeah, that's recording. And that's what's happening tonight.
Yes. Did
Girls
you like
Gone Wild
the?
tonight.
Did you like the maintenance
Oh,
guy?
look at we're changing colors.
Oh,
the filters.
Oh, this is Suzanne. Oh yes.
Do the dance.
There's some hoes in this house. There's some hoes in this house.
That's cute. I love that. we made it back from the hot tub pool. How was your experience?
It was fun.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Wait, that's the hot tub,
It
right?
can be a hot tub, yeah.
It can be a hot tub.
Yes, it can.
When two becomes one, that's gonna fit all of us.
Yes.
Anyways, I'm so happy to get to see my cousin.
I know, I'm happy too.
Oh, I love you so much.
Reunited.
Yes, reunited for sure. We're heading out wine tasting. Yay! Here we go. Ready, ladies?
Now, yay!
Are you guys ready? Look how gorgeous these ladies are. Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. Look at you,
It's getting
Lolo.
dark.
You're so handsome.
Outfit of the day. Are you guys ready? You ready to go wine tasting? OTD. Can I see your OTD? Outfit of the day. Okay. Outfit of the day. Alright, everybody show their outfit of the day real quick while we're waiting.
Can I do this roll?
Yep, do this swirl. Yeah.
Wearing nice.
Okay. What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Yes.
Oh.
Hello there. Hi. I'm wearing boots.
Lolo, what are you wearing today? Who are you wearing?
A little mix of everything.
Yeah? Nice.
Nai's
This is
gonna be the next
nice.
influencer, guys. So she's gonna take over my vlogging camera. Right, Nai?
Yes.
And she's gonna be an influencer. She is. Okay, well, cheers. Oh, do this one? We are the new vloggers, or the new influencers.
Nivana and
Lavana. Yes.
Yeah, we are the Vanas.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
How was your tasting?
It was delicious.
Was it soy delicious or soy?
Right there.
Whew. Mask off. We're outside.
We can do our mask.
Yeah. Yeah, mask off, guys. How was your tasting?
It was so
Cousin.
good. It
Yeah?
was a great experience.
Yeah. And then who did you see earlier?
We saw Patrick Dempsey.
Oh
Well,
my
my
gosh.
sister saw Patrick Dempsey.
Yeah, so we're trying to find McSteamy.
We're gonna try to find the McSteamy.
We just got done with our tasting, and right now, wait, is someone wearing the same dress? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Someone wearing the same dress? Two become one. Two become one. We've been looking for two become one. Finally. Mickey, what are you doing?
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
We're bringing this to a sick photo op.
Lord Jesus, forgive me.
Dude, I can't believe you met your soulmate.
Huh?
Mickey met her soulmate earlier. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. Anyways, we're trying to take photo ops.
We're here. This is perfect, right here. So do we just leave it?
Right
there. Yep.
Alright, let's set up.
O marks the X. O marks the X.
Yeah, O marks X marks the what? X marks the O?
X marks
Are you drunk? Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so we just got done wine tasting. Now we're gonna have dinner. We're in downtown Calistoga. How are you guys feeling?
Good.
Cause I've been
Very
drinking.
good,
Okay, good. We just have to cross the street. I'm the influencer now. Who's influencer? Who's influencing?
Clocked out.
What?
I've clocked out mock duty now.
Oh,
No longer the influencer.
dang. You take over half of the day and I'll take over the other half.
Yeah. Great
And
partnership
then two
here,
becomes
Lolo.
one again.
Yes.
Oh my god, I can't believe earlier, that's so funny. That same outfit, that's awesome.
What? Oh, the same outfit.
Yes, I love. We didn't put muzzle on Nai, not a face mask. We put a muzzle on you, not a face
I'm
mask.
not that loud.
Okay, we're walking in. So, we're gonna go around the circle. We're all gonna introduce ourselves because I feel like you guys need to know. You guys have to know everybody that
Just look at
as
her.
an influencer, all of my friends and family. So yeah. So my name is Lavana. My spirit animal is a seahorse.
My name is Trayvana. My spirit animal is a unicorn.
Hi, I'm Mona, and my spirit animal is a tiger.
My name is McVana. So my spirit animal is like, I think a monkey because I like to.
So I am Nivana. And so my spirit animal, so if I like a kangaroo, then I like to hop a lot.
You like to hop?
Hop.
Yeah. And what's
I
your
like to
last
hop.
name?
My name is Mivana, and my spirit animal is the dolphin because I really love dolphins.
Okay, so I am a goat.
Hi, I'm Cubana. My spirit animal is a bald eagle because they fly and they have great eyesight and they're tough.
Alright guys, so I am back. It is the next day from wine tasting. I am back here at home. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day traveling back home and driving and being around my beautiful family. I have to head back to work tomorrow, adjusting back. So I have to unpack from this weekend to pack again for the rest of the week because I have to travel down to the Bay Area and finish up some work down there. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty long week, but I'm only here for like 2 minus 3 seconds in my apartment, and I haven't gotten to like really enjoy it. But yeah, I just want to say I love my cousins so much. It was just a beautiful weekend. I got to just the love that they exude. I wish everybody could experience it, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to say I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys sooner than later. Bye. Yeah. Do you like the song? Do you like the song? Yeah. Happy birthday! She's influencing too, while I'm influencing. She's trying to like take over she's trying to take over the career. She's trying to battle with me. I like the horses. Those are nice. Yeah.
It's a night
When two become one,
it's the only way to be.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Right wrong. Easy pop. Where you go with the go up.
My hair's all wet.
No, we have to walk going down the bridge. Get off.
Oh my gosh. Wait, is that video?
Everyone.
Okay, go do a video.
I like bananas. I do like bananas.
So Mickey.
I like bananas.
Not just a tip. Not just a
Wrap it up, B. So I like bananas.
Fauna hump a lot. Tell me your last name.
Big Fauna hump a lot. Okay.
Don't tell anybody, right? It's a secret, right?